Hello everyone, in this video I am going to review an app named Photo Editor Pro. You can do whatever you want from this application, like you can add collages, funny stickers, fancy hairstyles, live filters, muscular editors, 3D tattoo, body reshape and many more. You can download this application from Play Store or you can directly download this application from my description below. For full review, watch my full video, hit like and subscribe to my channel. After installing this application, you need to set up this application just by clicking start. This application has its own downloading store. You can download assets from this application for free. There are huge collections of assets in downloading store. Let's download this poster. It downloaded and added to our assets. We need to choose one photo from gallery. Let's select this. You can add live filters like that, live stickers, fancy stickers, or you can add whatever you want. This is very simple and very useful application for all type of peoples, ladies, gents, editors. You just need to edit your photo. These are some filters, or you can call it stickers. Okay, now we are going to try some other features of this application. After saving this photo to my gallery, after that you just need to download assets from its store. A very big collection is available for you for absolutely free. Just simply go to store or download stylish posters. Let's download this and this and this. I am downloading random stuff, but you can download whatever you want. Let's try some of our editing skills on a photo. Okay, we need to select 3 photos. Click done. Okay, this is collage. You can make collages very easily. Just you need to select your multiple photos and your collage is ready. You can zoom in or zoom out, or you can download other assets. What is that? Okay, live editing. You can edit your face live also, and yeah, you just need to download asset from its stores, and all assets are absolutely free till now. You can download filters, you can download stickers, you can download posters or whatever you want, and very simple to download. Just click and download it. Click and it's downloaded. There are stickers, there are some very good stickers. You just click and it's downloaded. I'm downloading this all random stuff for free and I'm reviewing this application. You just click and it's downloaded. These are some posters. Okay, this application has PIP photo and photo option also. Okay, we've downloaded some stuff and we're going to edit our picture and it says click here. Brightness, you can adjust brightness, adjust contrast, shape, brightness. Okay, sharpening, we are sharpening our picture. I personally think this is very simple and very useful and very advanced software for photo editing. You can increase your photo temperature. Other features, other functions of this application are filters. There are too many filters in it. All filters are absolutely free. You can just click and it's downloaded. You can check what filter are suiting you. I'm selecting random. After you add, click OK. You have an option of cropping your photo like other famous softwares. You can rotate your picture by angle wise. Next option is draw. You can draw whatever you want on your picture. Just you need to select size, color and draw on your photo. Is that simple? This is very simple. Let's try with solid colors. I'm editing just randomly. You can edit your photo like professional. If you are professional, edit your photo professionally. This is photo and photo PIP mode. Okay, there are too many features, too many posters, photo in photo themes built in. Just you need to just download. It can reshape your body. Makeup items are built in this software. Body reshaping for men's six pack, for ladies six packs, filters and many more. In short, too many advanced features in all in one options in a single application, and this application is available on Play Store or you can download this application from my description below. What is that? Mirror effects. I think this is mirror effect. Okay, rotate. This is a applying filter and saving my photo. You can edit your photo in few minutes like pro. If you want to download this application, you can check my description for direct link. I hope you will like my video and subscribe to my channel.